How to start a successful online business. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. If you've ever dreamt of starting your own online business and achieving financial independence, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the essential steps to kickstart a successful online business. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or someone looking to transition from traditional to digital business, this guide will provide you with the knowledge and strategies you need to thrive in the online world. The first crucial step in starting an online business is finding the right niche. Your niche is the foundation of your business, and it's essential to choose something you're passionate about and that has a demand in the market. Here's how to do it. 1. Research market demand. Identify trends, search for keywords, and study your competitors to find a gap in the market that you can fill. 2. Passion and expertise. Choose a niche that aligns with your passions and expertise. 2. This will keep you motivated and help you provide unique value. 3. Audience analysis. Understand your target audience. 3. Who are they? What problems do they face? How can you solve those problems? Now that you've found your niche, it's time to develop a solid business plan. A well-defined plan sets the course for your success. Here's what you need to consider. 1. Business model. Determine your business model. 1. Are you selling products, offering services, or generating revenue through other means like affiliate marketing? 2. Monetization strategy. Decide how you'll make money. 2. This could include pricing strategies, subscription models, or advertising. 3. Budgeting. Create a detailed budget, covering expenses for website development, marketing, and other essential aspects. 4. Legal considerations. Register your business, choose the right business structure, and understand tax obligations in your jurisdiction. Your online presence is vital for attracting customers and establishing credibility. Let's explore how to create a strong online presence. 1. Website development. Build a professional, user-friendly website that reflects your brand and showcases your products or services. 2. Content strategy. Create high-quality, engaging content to showcase your expertise and connect with your audience. 3. Social media. Leverage social media platforms to promote your business, engage with customers, and build a loyal community. 4. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your website and content to rank higher in search engines, increasing your visibility. Once you have a strong online presence, it's time to market and promote your business effectively. Here are some key strategies. 1. Digital marketing. Utilize digital marketing techniques such as email marketing, pay-per-click advertising, and influencer partnerships. 2. Networking. Connect with other businesses and potential customers through networking events, conferences, and online communities. 3. Customer reviews and testimonials. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews, which can significantly impact your reputation. 4. Continuous learning. Stay up to date with the latest marketing trends and adapt your strategies accordingly. Congratulations! You've laid the foundation for a successful online business. Now, it's time to scale and ensure long-term success. 1. Customer satisfaction. Focus on delivering exceptional customer experiences to build loyalty and generate word-of-mouth referrals. 2. Feedback and adaptation. Listen to customer feedback and be willing to adapt your products, services, or business strategies. 3. Scaling strategies. Explore ways to scale your business, such as expanding your product line, entering new markets, or automating processes. 4. Continuous improvement. Never stop learning and improving. 4. Stay innovative, stay customer-centric, and keep your business relevant. Starting a successful online business is an exciting journey, filled with challenges and rewards. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to learn from both successes and failures. By following the steps we've discussed in this video, you'll be well on your way to building a thriving online business. This video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Also, share your thoughts and any other business ideas you might have in the comments below. Thank you for watching. For more tips on entrepreneurship and business, check out our other videos on the screen now. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future updates. See you soon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until next time, stay inspired and keep pursuing your dreams. Good luck, everyone. End screen.